What's up, y'all? So I recently recorded a quarantine quickie about some Netflix shows and movies that you'll want to check out from right here in your comfortable bed. But what's a binge-worthy show or movie without a binge-worthy bomb bowl of popcorn? So in today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make some homemade popcorn and how to flavor it to go with those recommendations that I gave you in the last video. So you'll want to keep on watching. I'm Charlie with an IE, and you are
now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
Another banger. Make a bomb, make a bomb, 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 make a bomb, make a keep a the bomb, bomb, bomb. Your body could make a bomb, 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 on a make.
all right, guys. The time has come. It's come to hop out of bed and go make that popcorn. So we're gonna do that right now. So we'll be making 3 different types of popcorn: a spicy buffalo, a savory option, and a sweet and salty. First, what you want to do is put oil in a pot, have it cover the bottom, and then add 2 kernels. Once those kernels pop, you want to add the rest of the kernels because that's when you know the heat is hot enough to cook them. Cover it, shake it a bit, and then let it do its thing. You don't really have to shake it very often, just every now and then. And voila. The first batch is going to be the buffalo butter popcorn. So it's literally melted butter and Tabasco sauce mixed together. Put as much or as little of each ingredient as you want and pour it over that popcorn. Just 2 ingredients, nice and easy. And next up is the savory bowl. Kidding. The next one is the savory bowl of popcorn. So melted butter as much as you want. You want to use some garlic powder, black pepper, Parmesan cheese. Now you can use the shredded or the grated version. It's up to your preference. The shredded one, as long as your popcorn is nice and hot, it'll melt a bit, which gives it an extra cheesy flavor. Put as much cheese as your heart desires. And then the very last one is probably the one I make the most in life. It's the salty and sweet one. So I usually use pink Himalayan salt and I use honey. Now I know you see me using syrup, but it's because I had to improvise because I did not have honey on hand. But listen, honey, use honey. I mean, the syrup is decent. It's like the hood version. So if you're trying to make some ratchet popcorn, add that syrup in. But if you want some bomb, delicious caramelly tasting popcorn, get that honey inside of this bowl. And we're back with the popcorn. Guys, how fun was that? So simple, so easy to make this delicious popcorn. And at this point, I'm just ready to stuff my face. This, guys, could be like a mukbang or an ASMR. If you guys want me to do a mukbang or an ASMR with popcorn, let me know in the comments below. But most importantly, let me know if you plan on trying any of these recipes. Quick, easy, simple for your next movie nights. And then subscribe, like this post, and tell everyone you know about my channel. Follow me on social media as well, at Charlie Cooper TV on all platforms. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until next time.